Hello viewer, and welcome to our Grand Tour game, where we've done our best to showcase a range of vehicles, offering something for all tastes. We've got some unique vehicles that you can get when you pre-order our game, and each of them has been tested for fun and performance by us in the Grand Tour show. First up, Richard Hammond's Rainforest on 4 wheels, the eco car featuring a carbon footprint light as a butterfly and almost totally edible if you're a goat. Next is my fire engine.
There's a water cannon here.
Bright, loud and powerful, traffic respectfully parts for the fire engine whenever it appears.
What are you doing?
Just like when the Queen goes out for a drive in her Bentley. And finally, Clarkson's Dune Buggy. This V8 engine, affront to good engineering practice, was conceived by the witless dodo himself.
The dust,
The Grand Tour game. Questionable creations in exotic locations.